I have finally opened up the Super Entrepreneur Mastermind. So, this mastermind enables you to meet with me and a group of amazing entrepreneurs that I've been working with for the last 4 months for 4 times a month, one for 1 hour. We work on solving what can move your business forward that day. So we talk about, we go around the room, we answer that question, and then we go back and see where we can plug in answers and figure out like what could help do that, or what part of our network can we tap into to make that happen, and things like that. And then on top of that, you get to work with me once a month for on your business for 1 hour, where we dive deep into the specific things that you are having problems with your business that are preventing you from moving forward to growing the business, to maybe helping you get out of your own way if you're having trouble getting there, getting there from here. If you're having struggles with any of the numbers in your business, if you're having struggles with like tracking the analytics of your business to better understand where you're at, where you want to go, how you're going to get there. So setting those goals, as well as figuring out like marketing issues. If you're having trouble with marketing your business, reaching that ideal client, I mentioned before, getting my free avatar workbook guide over at superjoeparra.com/avatar. You get that, and then we go start working together. Things can change dramatically because we are going to be able to craft a marketing message, a branding message. Maybe it's rebranding the business altogether, and taking it to a whole different place than where you currently are, because maybe you're just missing the mark a little bit, but that little bit it goes a long way in capturing so many more businesses for you. So if you're a real entrepreneur, you really want to work on your business, you really or have this really great idea, and you were like, I want to start this business, I want to get it going, and I want to connect with the right people. Come join us. The starting price right now is at $97 a month, and it will be going up probably by the first of the year. So get locked in now, and it'll be 97 going forward. There's also discounts for 6 month and 12 month packages as well. So if you go over to superjoeparra.com/mastermind, you can learn more about it. Reach out to me, drop comments below, email me, joe@superjoeparra.com. I'm very much available to take your questions and help you with whatever issues you have going on in your business, and you'll get that support network that you're looking for to help hold you accountable for building the business that you deserve. I am all about taking your passion and crafting it into a business. It might not be a one-for-one match of what your passion is to what the business becomes, but we will figure out the best path to get it so that like as close to what your passion is, the business is, so that we can get you the money. So then we get you the money, then eventually you can start to take more risks and build a one for one for what that passion is. But that doesn't always work out that way. And I'm not here to sell a box. This isn't a dream. This isn't a one size fits all business thing. You bring the idea, you bring your passion, you bring you, and I will help you craft that business alongside everybody else in the group, meeting once a week. We meet on Wednesdays at 4 p.m. Eastern, and it's just a great time. There's so many great things that come out of it. Sometimes the tears come out. Sometimes we make huge breakthroughs, make big decisions. It's just been absolutely awesome, and I would love to have you reach out and potentially join us. So if you go to superjoeparra.com/mastermind, if you get to the bottom, you can book a time with me to meet one-on-one for 15 minutes and talk about where you're at, where you want to be, and see if this is a good fit for you.